Namaskar, I am Shamali Sinha. Welcome to Foodies Hut. Today I am going to make vanilla ice cream. For this recipe, we don't require the ice cream maker, but all we need a little bit of patience. You need to follow 3 simple steps: cooling, chilling and freezing. So let's get started. Here I have full cream milk at room temperature. I'm going to save quarter cup of milk. Then I'll pour the milk in a heavy duty cooking pan. With that, I'm going to add this thickened cream. Place it over medium-low heat. Let this heat up just until the boiling point. Don't boil. Then you will start to see the little bubbles around the edges. It will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let it cool for 5 minutes. By that time, in this bowl, I have corn flour. To this, I'm adding the milk which I saved earlier. Then with the help of a fork, give a whisk. Make sure the corn flour is fully incorporated with the milk and there are no lumps. Next, add this sweetened condensed milk and the slurry. Mix everything well. Now with the heat on low, we are going to cook this and stir until it's thickened. Now the way you know that it is in the desired consistency is if you take the spatula or the wooden spoon out and run your finger through the back of it, it stays separated like that. Then remove from the heat. Sprinkle a pinch of salt. Then add this vanilla paste. Of course, you can use vanilla essence or vanilla extract. Next, to make a smooth ice cream, I am going to pass this through a fine sieve. It's really important to do that to get a smooth ice cream. When it's done, set it aside and let it cool. Now, all we have to do is that we have to stir the custard every now and then to prevent a skin forming. Else you can cover the custard, not the bowl, with a plastic wrap. When it's cool, cover with a lid and keep it into the refrigerator at least for 3 to 4 hours for chilling. I prefer more than 6 hours or overnight because remember, it has to be incredibly cold. Then place a metal pan or loaf in the refrigerator for an hour or so. Now transfer this chilled custard to this chilled pan. Cover with a foil. Place it in the freezer for about at least 6 hours or almost set. Now with the help of a metal spoon, break up the ice cream and transfer to a glass bowl. Now use an electric beater to beat the ice cream at least for 3 to 5 minutes. What it will do, it will help to break the ice crystals. When you see this smooth texture, transfer it into an airtight container and freeze at least for 3 to 4 hours or until firm. Now finally the fun part. I'm going to serve this vanilla ice cream with chocolate sauce. Give this recipe a try and do let me know what you think about this recipe. And if you try this recipe, please don't forget to tag us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.